this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today we got one from the frozen section. This is the last one of the Myojo USA varieties I have. Nagasaki Champon, creamy Tonkotsu. We got that. Hold on. Okay. Let's get it going. This is gonna be a busy one today, but we'll figure it out. This uses a lot of steps, but we can do it. We must do it, and we shall. So, let's get these noodles going. These go for 3 minutes, and I think I can pull off the whole shebang in 3 minutes. If not, then that's going to be a problem. Oil. Okay, so step one is get the noodles going. We're good on that. Step two, stir fry meat and vegetables until cooked through. Oh, only 1 tablespoon. Well, what do we got? We got some squid. Got some Naruto. Yep, I'm stir frying Naruto maki and kamaboko. Way too much oil though, that's for sure. But you know. Get going. We ain't got no time to dibble dabble on this. Yep. Got another piece of Naruto maki. And yet another piece. I'm gonna have to make more Naruto maki. At least make, insofar as making it, I'm going to slice it up. Alright, there's our meats. Seafoodios. And as for vegetables, spring onion, 47 seconds, ladies and gentlemen. I'm not gonna pull this off. Some mung bean sprouts. I mean, they're really already done, so there's not a lot you gotta do. Except for spill stuff on the stove and make them that. Okay. Although the messy burn spot smells quite good. Okay, so we're done with this. And I'm just gonna take it off the heat for a moment. Let's drain the noodles. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Glad that's not going on in my eye. Oh, it went in my eye. No, it really didn't. But it smells good. And now we're going to add 1 1/4 cups of water. We're going to add the soup base sachet. The tricky part with this one is going to be pouring it in the bowl. I don't know how I'm going to manage that without making the biggest mess in the universe. Which my wife's in the living room right now, probably just heard that and is cringing like nothing else. I'm really good at making a mess. I will be the first to admit that. And I like to clean up my messes, but I've got really poor vision, so I will try at least. A little bit more there. We're done with this out of the way. What was it? Salt and pepper. Let's add a bunch of pepper. I like pepper. Alright. I've got egg that'll go on at the end. I'm going to add a bit of shichimi in here. Now, got our bowl. I'm going to throw the noodles in. Oof, ow, ee, oh, ooh. All right, and now, one little last stir, and now I'm going to attempt to transfer this into this without making a gigantic mess, and you couldn't even see any of that, I'm sorry. Here we go. As though further mess was averted. Ooh, this is a hot freaking stove though. Look at that, oh, wow. I really want to put that egg in there. That's what I'm going to do. Wow, that certainly looks good. And yeah, I am going to taste it. You'll see me taste it. I kind of want to do the whole 9 yards on this, because this is kind of when you do it at home, you do it the way you want to do it. So that's what I'm doing. And now for a last thing, we're going to add a little bit of fun with holy slicer. Need another. Ooh, I think we're going to have to omit the riser this time. What I need to do is find some of my old blocks from Kamaboko and glue something together to make a little stage. Let's go like that. Do we have enough? I think we did. that should do the trick. Yeah, that looks all right. Let's clean up a little bit so we've got room to put everything. Like I gotta avoid the camera and that part of the stove because it's really hot over there. I mean, hot, hot, hot. So let's go here. About here. Ooh, oh man, that's a hot freaking bowl too. Holy moly. Wow. What a topper. What a way to cap off a 4 review or 4 variety day. I gotta taste it. Definitely gotta taste it. Let's try the broth first. Look at that. Mmm. It's almost chowder-like, I would say. It's literally like a seafoody kind of tonkotsu. And as for the noodle, they make all sorts of different gauges and styles. Myojo, they provide stuff for restaurants too, so. Mmm. Just beautiful. Yeah, my friend at Myojo, he sent me, what, 4 or 5 varieties, and they were all excellent. So, bravo. Perfect score. Not surprised. You can find their stuff in your refrigerated section at your Asian grocery store. If you're in the US, absolutely no problem, I'm sure. Got them at ours. Well, come on, Rotato. Kick it up a notch. Oh, did I put any sesame? I'm gonna put a little sesame on there. I don't think I did. Did I or did I not? Well, if I did, I apologize for sesame overkill, but... Okay. 4th bowl in one afternoon. Thanks very much for joining me for this episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. There'll be more. I don't know what I'm doing this week. There'll be more though. I'm gonna do I usually do 3 in a day, not 4. That was kind of a surprise to me too. So, but yeah. The episodes almost always, unless there's gonna be one where I eat the spicy noodles after. Episodes always come out at 2 p.m. West Coast time, US time. So, LA time, Seattle time, Vancouver, BC time. Same thing. Anyways, it's Hans the Ramen Rater wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.